How to fix incorrect business information on GMB. Got incorrect business info on your GMB or Google My Business listing? This can kill your local SEO. So here's how to fix it fast. Number 1, log into your GMB Dashboard. Go to Google Business Profile and find your listing there, guys. Alright? Second, you can edit your business details. You need to click info and update your name, address, phone or NAP, and also website and hours.
Presenting your one-stop shop for SEO, GMB, link building, content creation, web design, and more. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. Enjoy 40 to 60% off for our services. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. The best dashboard for SEOs, agencies, and freelancers.
Number 3, fix inconsistency across the web. So your NAP must be the same on your website, social media, and directories like Yelp, Bing Places. Okay? Number 4, verify your changes. Some edits may need Google approval, especially if you change your business name or location. You need to check your email for verification steps. And number 5, report incorrect info. So you can edit if your Google shows wrong details. You can fix. Click suggest and edit on your listing or contact Google Business Support. You can do that.
I'm sorry to cut you while watching my video, but if you have a brand, a business, SaaS, or any tools that you want to advertise in this section, email us at hello@kherkroldanseo.com.
Number 6, monitor and update regularly. Google favors active and updated business profile. So check it often to keep everything accurate.